Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is November the 29th. I hope you guys had a great, happy Thanksgiving. So we're out here in the Buford, Sugar Hill area. This is a new client. She actually found me online, sent me pictures, measurements. I never came out to do a consultation. I do give people the option. They can either send me pictures and measurements. I give them a price over the phone. And I will say, guys, believe it or not, that's how most of my clients book. I'm gonna say I'm about 60 to 70% people booking strictly from pictures and me giving them a price over the phone, and then the other 30-40 is from doing paid in-home consultations. So with that being said, guys, we are doing a wax removal. It's a very light wax removal. She only did it one time, so it's not like some of the videos where it's years of wax. And when we got here, I always get people my brochures, and I have a countertop brochure, and so they added the countertops. So let me show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so today, beautiful day. It's a little chilly. That cold front is coming. It is chilly. So show you guys what we're doing. We are out here again, Buford, and I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna, these floors, whoa, they got like a haze to them. Now I will say too, you notice that the furniture is not moved. Usually with a light wax removal, almost and a clean and buff, that's the service that we do not recommend. You have to move the furniture out. So we're going to be going around, but kind of show you guys from here. If you look at the floors, you see how it looks hazy? See that? You see that? See, like right there, I'm going to zoom in. You see all that streaks? So that's just from her. She said she used a cleaner, and then she also used the wax, and that's what it causes hazy buildup. So we're going to do all of this, just really the high traffic areas, because that's all she put it. And then coming through here, then through here, and then through here. Tavares is starting the countertops and all around the island. So this job will probably take us maybe a few hours. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. See all that right there, guys? See that? See all that haze? Yep.
Truman's in Buford, Georgia. Floor looking new again. Wax remover shining. Let that natural glow begin. Granite on the counter. Polished up so clean and bright. Buford seal it, make it flawless. Yeah, we bring that surface light. Real Truman shine. Perfection. Every move is step by step. Classic jazz with Asian rhythm. Floors and counters look their best. Homeowners love to finish. They can see the work we do. Truman Hardwood maintenance.
That is going to do it. Look at the floors now. Oh, T, do me a favor. I told him we'll do a little color just right there. Get it like a brown or a black. We got the countertops done. Look at those countertops now. Before I started, guys, the countertops felt really gritty. That's a good sign. Well, it's not a good sign, but it's a sign that the countertops are not sealed. But now they're nice and smooth. So we got the countertops knocked out. Great combination. Countertops and these wood floors. Again, this is just a simple wax removal. Removing the wax. I told her we'll do a little color correction right here. Refrigerator, like little water damage. And of course, there's the everything right there. So I'm about to call Mr. and Mrs. White down now, so they can take a look at their floors. That this is how the floor should look. And I'm also going to educate and show them what to use on the floors. Mr. and Mrs. White, come on down. again, man, Mrs. White. She called me, sent me pictures, and found me online, raved about the reviews and you know, my website. Also, she said she saw the video testimonials on the website. So yeah, guys, do more than enough to let my clients know that they made a right decision. Come on down, tell me what you think.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Looks great.
yes, ma'am. That's how they're supposed to look.
They haven't looked this way in a while.
Yes, ma'am.
It looks brand new.
Thank you.
Awesome.
And go look at your countertops and feel them. Remember how before we started?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I can see it.
You can see it, yep.
Oh, wow.
See? Yes, ma'am.
You lived up to your reputation.
Thank you. That's what I want to hear.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Well, thank you so much.
Oh, you got the color.
Yeah, we're doing a little color. Yep, we got a little color correction for you as well.
Yes.
Yes.
Go get one.
No, we got it for you.
Oh, that's perfect.
Thank you. All right, guys. Another happy client. Thank you. So hopefully we'll get a good 5-star review. And
You got that.
yes, ma'am. All right, guys. Well, thanks again for watching. And we're going to enjoy the rest of our weekend. So far, a little slow. December is usually one of my slowest months of the year, which is fine. A lot of people put up Christmas trees, so they don't want to get stuff done. But we'll still, you know, we'll probably average about, anyway, I'll say maybe 12 to 20 jobs. Just depends. You never know. But all right, guys. See you in the next one.